Hello everyone, welcome to part 28 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6, 5.7. And in this video, we are going to work on home page once again, and we are going to see these profiles that we have shown in last video, the latest user profiles, the last four profiles we are showing, and now we are going to show age of the user, and along with it, we are going to show the real photo of the user that the user has added, or we will show some dummy photo if in case user not added any photo. Okay, so this is the thing we are going to do in this video. Okay, so let's start working on this one. So first of all, we need to do one thing: open your dating database. Okay, and we need to update DOB column in user details table. We need to update DOB column because DOB column is necessary to update to date format. It is where otherwise we can't able to calculate age, and this is the mistake we have done in the past, and it is necessary to resolve the issues that we have made in the past. And I am going to change its varchar data type to date. Okay, so that we can save in date format in future. Means we can save user DOB in date format. Okay, you can simply change it to date format. Okay, and save. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to do, and check once that data is saved or not. See, all the DOB is comes to none, 000. Okay, so now we need to ask user to update the DOB. We need to update the DOB here. Okay, otherwise date will not come. So we can update the DOB for some of the users that we know the password of them, then we can update. Okay, like I'm going to update for 6 user ID. Okay, Rocky of mail. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so yeah, you can log in and then you can check. Okay, so my dating profile here. Okay, so here also we need to update and we want to show the format, and we want to show here in the same format like we have added in database, and in the same format we want to show here. So we need to update our DOB datepicker function. Okay, so we need to open front design.blade.php file, and here you can see we are having this DOB datepicker function, and here we can add one more thing. We can add date format here because we want to change the date format, and we want to change it like YYMMDD because this is the date format that our MySQL database accepted. So we need to change to this format. Okay, so after changing here, see now it looks fine. Yeah, now it looks fine. Okay, now you can change to any date, and that format is fine, is same like in our database table. Okay, so now it looks fine, and now we can continue means saving this date format. We will try to save, and we'll see that this date format will get saved. I'm going to check here for this one, and yeah, now see, now date has come here. That is fine, and now I can also change the status of this one to 1 because every time if the user going to edit his profile, its status going to be 0, because then admin can approve that profile, otherwise it will be not shown to any user at front end. Okay, so now see the date has come back, whatever date we have entered is coming back fine. Okay, we will select some past date, because we are adding the DOB or of the person, and the person can add some back date like in 1985 some date. Okay, like this, like it's 11th April 1985. Okay, so this date you can select and click on submit. Now the margin will be more. Okay, again we can click here for one status. I will first click on now, and then okay. So rest of the dates we can select from here only. Okay, so that it will save our time. Okay, we can select the date for the user. Okay, so we can select any one date, and I don't know that how to update. Okay, no issue. We can select any date, and we can change here as well. We can make it like 1987. Okay, it's fine. And some other date we can select here. Here we can make it 1991. Okay, and also we can change date. We are required to do as we want to test. Okay, so we can mention here like this. Okay, and this one more time. We can do like this. Uh, okay. Now we have updated all the dates here, and now we need to show the date age we need to show along with the profile. So we need to calculate the age and will show. So we are going to update our index blade file, and there we need to show the age. Okay, so after name we are going to show the age. I am going to copy it like this, and we'll make it like age, and here I'm going to first show DOB. Okay, after that I will update to age. First you can see that DOB must come fine here. No, some issue has come. Okay, sorry for that, because DOB does not contain like this. DOB is it's uh, like this, details then DOB. Okay, now see DOB is coming fine, but we need to find the age from DOB. Okay, so you can check there in index controller, index function, where we have done everything. uh, here here you can check the recent user. Okay, everything will come, because we are defining the relation with details and photos. Okay, so both require in this video. See, details is having the DOB as well, and this DOB we are using right now. Okay, so now you come to know that from where we are getting this DOB, like here, like we are getting city as well as we are getting DOB. Okay, so we are getting DOB like this, details then DOB, details then city. Okay, like this we are getting it. Okay, no issue. Now we can simply disable and we'll continue here. Now for calculating age, we need to subtract this DOB year from the current year. Okay, very simple. So that the difference will come, and that difference will be your age. Difference will be the user's age. Okay, it is not that much tough, and we can do. I am going to delete this one. This one is not required right now. I am going to start PHP, because now we require PHP. uh, PHP we are going to do PHP tags. Okay, So first of all, we are having DOB. I am going to me enter the DOB variable so that it will be uh, it will not confuse us. Okay, like this. Okay, I'm going to enter DOB in DOB variable. Okay, so now I am going to find the difference, like difference current year we can find it like this, very simple. Yeah, like this. Okay, minus minus, and then again date will come, and again we will find year, means DOB year we want to find. Then we can do like this, first str to time, because this is required to convert it to means that string time string, and now dollar $DOB, it will be like this. Okay, so this difference this difference is the one that must be called as an age. Okay, now we are going to see. uh, yeah, see, now age has come here, 18, 27, 31, 33. So it looks perfect, and here you can add like years. Just simply need to mention it like years here. After this one you can mention here. Okay, so now you can see, yeah, now it looks fine. Okay, so now it looks very fine, and here you can check that it looks fine, 18 years and everything. So now we can even you not require DOB variable. We can simply uh, show it here in one line. It can be done. Okay, so see here like this. Yeah. So now it is clear we are subtracting the DOB year with the current year to find the age of the user. Okay, so this is the format that we have used. Okay, now we need to show the photo as well. Okay, see the photo here. We are using the default photo in all, but we will show the photo of the user, and photo of the for the photo. Once again we will see the format in which the data is coming, and check here once. See here, the photo is one of the user is having photo. See, this user ID rock, means user ID 6 with name rock, is having two of his photos but no default photo. Means then, see, if in case of default photo is yes, then we will use default photo. Otherwise we can use the first photo added by the user. Okay, and for this we will add the condition in for each loop, and we are going to do for each here in blade file with photos. And if the default photo is yes, then we are going to use that. Otherwise we will use the first one. Okay, so we are going to work on this thing now, and let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to update user photo, and photo we will check. Here it is. Here is the photo here. Okay, so what I will do, I will first add for each loop here. Okay, so let's add for each loop after count. So we can add for each loop, and here I can do it like this. Okay, so this one, because photo is in this span. Okay, we can do it like this, and first of all I will add for each add for each, and here I just want to pick photos, so I can pick it like this, photos array. Okay, and as dollar key dollar photo. Okay, like this we can add, and we can close this as well, and for each. Okay, so now all the photos will come inside it. Okay, so here we are going to use the variable we, yeah, like this. Okay, so see here, if the photo that is coming is equal to means photo default photo status, means if the default photo is yes, then we are going to use it. Otherwise, we are going to means assign the first value. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to first add one more condition, like add it of if, and that dollar photo is default photo, like this default photo. Okay, if equal to yes, if it is default photo, then we are going to use it, and again we will use PHP to assign the value. Like we will generate one variable dollar user photo, then dollar user photo will be equal to, like we are going to use user, then photos. Okay, and then after that dollar key will come. Okay, then uh, here it will come like photo. Okay, means we are going to assign the value if that is yes. Okay, otherwise in else we are going to do this same thing again. We will copy and paste, and after that we will make changes, and here we are going to end it, and here we are going to add 0, because if none of the photo is yes, means that default photo is not there at all, then we will use the first photo. Okay, so now we have user photo variable. Either it will take the first photo, or it will take the photo of the user that is having the default photo status yes. Okay, so now we have the user photo. Okay, and now we can add the user photo here. But now once again we will add one condition here, like if user photo is not empty. Okay, then only it can be displayed here. Otherwise we will show the dummy photo. Okay, we will show the dummy photo here like this. Okay, now it's done. Now after that end it. Okay, so now we will display this user photo here. Okay, here here front images. After that we are going to show there in front end images. You can see photos also there, so we will give its path like photos. Okay, after photos, then we can give it like this. Okay, so here, and this one we can remove. Okay, so you can remove one photo, and this one also you can remove. Now it is fine. Now it is fine, and uh, yeah, now it is fine. Now otherwise we will use this image. Okay, let's see what will happen. I don't know. Might be some error comes. Might be it will work. See that. So see, we don't have the only one user is having the photo, and rest of the user don't have any photo. So it is picking the dummy photo. Now what we can do we can add one dummy photo here, like this photo, or we can add some other photo. Okay, so we can check one dummy photo, default photo, something, default photo, or dummy photo we can search. Okay, so the photo like this, we can add something that will look fine, or we can add that photo as well, no issue, as dummy photo. Okay, so this is the photo we can add, like I will do copy and paste, and here I will give its name as default. Okay, default. I will use this photo as default, means every time this photo will appear if no photo will be there. Okay, so I am going to use this photo like this. Okay, I'm going to refresh, and we'll see here. it's not picking. I'm going to check. Yeah, photos. Here, photos will come once again, and now it will pick. Okay, so now you can check uh, the the users that don't have any photos, and still it is not coming. I think some issue with the path or something else. It is not picking default.jpg front-end underscore images after that photos default.jpg. Okay, so here and here not seems to be any issue. I'm going to check. We will check the path there. What is the path is coming? We will check here. Okay, so this photo is not coming. We will check the path and file box. Okay, right. Okay. Here, where is it? Here is the photo. Span class photo. Here it is. Front end images. 1000 images. Front end. Okay. And we can check why it is not coming. And see, it is not coming, and we are going to see what is the issue. Oh, sorry, I am checking some other folder. Sorry for that. There is some dating, public images, front-end images, and where is the photos folder? Front-end images, photos. Touch folder is not there. Let me see. I'm going to check where this photo is coming, and images front-end underscore images photos. Okay, it's not coming. Laravel dating happens. Sorry, this is the folder. Yeah, here it is. So here I'm going to add this default.jpg, and now I'm going to refresh, and we'll see. Yeah, now it is coming fine. See, now the person that don't have any photo, default photo is coming, and means the person that is having photo, that photo is coming there. Okay, so now everything seems to be fine, and once again I'm going to check that only one user is having photo and rest of the user don't have any photo. Okay, so I'm going to check here and see here. See, not having any photo, not having any photo, not having any photo, not having yeah, one user is having photo and no other user is having photo. You can see only one user is having photo, and whose username is rock@yahoo.com, and rock is only having photo and no one is having photo. So that is coming fine now, and only one user is having photo, and that photo has been displayed here. Okay, so that is now 100% perfect, and age also is coming fine. Okay, so along with the other users age. Okay, so photo as well as age is coming fine now. Okay, so in next video we will show the complete details of user profile. When the user will going to click on this profile details will come in new page. Okay, so we will start working on that thing from next video. Okay, then I hope that everything is clear to you up till now, and rest we will do in next video. Again, have a nice time. Goodbye.